All right, we're going for a quick test drive. We got 6,906 miles on the odometer. If you see any flickering on the screens or the gauges here, that's just in camera, not in person. It does not look like they're flickering though. It's essentially a brand new truck, no issues with the drivability, but we'll do a quick test here. Shifts nice and smooth, steering wheel's perfectly straight, doesn't have any type of shimmies or shakes. I'm gonna hit the brakes here. Brakes are solid, no vibrations from the wheel. No complaints with the drivability, absolutely perfect. Beautiful interior. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at that wheel, absolutely perfect. Tires look amazing. Fender flare's good. I don't see any flaws there. That looks good. Here on the A-pillar, there's a tiny little spot there. And one right there. The rest of that looks good. Doors clean. All of that looks good. Edge feels good. Graphics look awesome. I mean, this thing is pretty much brand new. You have the soft bed cover here. Got one rock chip there. Have a little bit of damage here. Little scuff. So one chip, like I said, right there. Got the hood graphics. Plastic's nice and clean. I don't see any other flaws here. That wheel's perfect. Fender looks good. Side mirror's clean. Don't see any flaws there. That lower rocker looks good. Doors are nice. That's clean. Bedsides look good. That wheel looks nice. You still have the stickers on the mufflers on both of them. Bed cover looks perfect. All of that looks good. I see a tiny scuff right there. And a little one there. Other than that, looks good. Tailgate step, a couple little scuffs. Got the bed liner. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker, and it smells brand new in here. Tiny little scuff on that plastic. Lower side looks good. That looks nice. All of that's clean. Kick plate area is good. Got the all-weather mats. Absolutely perfect on that bolster. Same here. Got a chip there and a little scuff. Steering wheel has that matte finish to it. Looks brand new. Buttons look good. All of that is clean. And this is essentially brand new in here. There's nothing to pick apart. Here on the front right door panel, looks good. Kick plate area is clean. Got the all-weather mats. That bolster's perfect. Same here. I don't see any flaws on those seats. Alcantara looks good. Upper side of the dash looks good. Really no complaints on this side. Here on the back right panel, that looks good. Kick plate area is clean. You got the all-weather mats. You can see the Alcantara here is perfect. Backside looks good. The middle's clean. Seats are heated. Got your ports down there. Here on the back left door panel, looks amazing. This looks good. No issues here with the seats. Once again, they look brand new. And then checking out the engine bay, we're just going to scan through some of this. All of that looks good.